How to draw Jack Skellington. In The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington tries to bring aspects of the holiday season to a town based entirely around Halloween. Follow the steps below to learn to draw the Pumpkin King himself. Method 1. Frightening Jack. 1. Draw a stick figure of Jack. 2. Add volume to the stick figure. Take note that Jack is very thin and has pointy fingers. 3. Draw his suit. He has a bat-inspired bow tie and the bottom of his coat has 5 pointy tips at the back. 4. Draw the face. He has eye sockets since he is already a skeleton. Draw an angle pointing upwards for the nose. Use vertical lines lined across a horizontal line for the mouth. 5. Erase unnecessary lines. 6. Color your drawing. Method 2. Friendly Jack. 1. Draw a stick figure from the head to the torso. 2. Draw his suit. Take note of the bat-inspired bow tie. 3. Sketch the face. Use a circle for the eyes, 2 short slanted lines for the nostrils and a long curved vertical line with horizontal lines lined across for the mouth. Add lines under the eyes to give him the wrinkly effect. 4. Erase unnecessary lines. 5. Color your drawing. Tips. Jack Skellington is characterized by his skeleton-like appearance. Don't be afraid to stretch his proportion by adding longer limbs, thinner and longer fingers, etc. It adds to the character's appearance. Make it as stitchy and edgy as possible for a better Burton effect. You can also forego the pinstripes for a flat black suit. It's easier and doesn't hurt the image, since Jack's outfit isn't too elaborate in the first place.